It is not sex per se which can be an impediment in one's growth, but one's attachment to one's own body definitely is an impediment, because if you're attached to the body, if you are identified with the body, the ways of the body will become the ways of your life. If you go by the ways of your body, I want you to understand, if you keep your mind aside, if you keep your emotion aside, your consciousness aside, the body just wants to eat, sleep, copulate and die. This is all it's geared for, this is its software. If you want to do something else in your life, it is important your identification with the body recedes and your identification with your larger consciousness becomes well established. That is when you will get to do larger things in life. To live life in a more profound way becomes possible. Otherwise, as long as you're identified only with your physical body, the very nature of this is this small little boundary in this limitless cosmos, is… the consequence of this is fear, the consequence of this is insecurity, the consequence of this is naturally a mental derangement of a certain kind, which will inevitably happen to people who are very strongly identified with just their body. It's important the other dimensions of who you are. Keeping the body healthy and well is important, but it is very important the other dimensions of being human also evolve and develop within you. So, the importance or the significance of what the body is must not be forgotten because it's a basic platform. You are supposed to dance on the platform, not sink into the platform.